Hello, hello, OFP Nation. Happy Wednesday. It is January 15th, 2025, and we are here for our mid-week analysis. Hello to those of you who are joining us live on both YouTube and Instagram. Be sure to say hello in the comments. Let us know who you are and where you're tuning in from, because we always like to say hello. And if you're watching the replay, hello to you too. Nick, are you there? Are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. All right, everybody. So as always, we are going to go into our we're going to look at our watch list, right? Take a look at our watch list, see how things have been moving since our last analysis on Sunday, and then kind of go from there. If you have any pairs that you are watching this week, and you want another opinion, you want us to take a look at it, just stick around to the end of this analysis, which shouldn't take us that long. And then share your pairs with us, and we'll kind of take a look at those too. Other than that, I'm going to give the mic over to my dear friend here,
All
if he's
right,
ready.
sure.
If you're ready.
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready.
You're
Don't
ready. Oh, great.
worry. Okay, so let's get right into it. So dollar yen, we've actually reached the level of support that we're actually looking for, which is right here. So what we'll be looking for is a reversal from this area. But most definitely, we can also still look for extra confirmation with the trend line break. So if we do have a trend line break, then possibly we can look into a long opportunity on dollar yen. Then let's look at dollar Mexican. All right, so dollar Mexican, we are back, I would say, in into the trend, but not fully convincing. But either ways, the trend line has been broken, which was here, and I would say also support, but we don't really have a strong support around this area. So what I will be looking for here is for the market to probably come back all the way up here, like just a slight pullback close to a trend line, then afterwards come all the way down. Right, let's look also at euro dollar. So euro dollar, we seem to have had a very strong pullback to the upside, and overall it seems to be probably coming down a little bit. Like it had a very bearish engulfing candle right here. If we draw a trend line, I would say the trend line has been broken based off of this, but I'd look for further confirmation. Maybe if we drop a little bit below here, then maybe we can be looking to short euro dollar once more, coming all the way down here. Yeah. So that is my anticipation on euro dollar. Let's look at CAD Swiss. CAD Swiss has broken a trend line, and right now it seems to be going back into the trend line, which is still all right as well, because we'll be looking for longs in CAD Swiss, but we are still waiting for probably a stronger pullback to the downside. We can't just really enter here and then hope for it to go up, but it seems we're also aiming to come to this previous resistance over here. So that is our aim here, but overall would certainly just be looking for a pullback, even just to this area as well. So currently, that's what we're looking for these days, is pullbacks into certain areas, key areas. Then from there, we look to buy from those key areas. Then let's look at pound yen. Pound yen is also seems to be in the same correlation with dollar yen, pushing to the downside, but much more stronger. And we have had a lot of false breakouts. So right now, we do have a breakout on pound yen currently. Yeah, so we are looking to go to upside with it as well. This could be also a good time to actually buy, but again, it might be too early because we're looking to break this resistance level on this very top. Then maybe we can look to buy going to the upside. But apart from that, if not, then we might continue this downward move, make a new low. Then that's when maybe we can have some really good resistance levels to buy from. Then let's also look at gold. So gold, we are pushing right above this resistance level, which is great. Hopefully we can continue to the upside and come all the way up here around 2727 or even 2730. Already this chart is already showing us ideal resistance levels like 2730 and also 2705 as potential targets. But of course, for us, our target is all the way up here to 763. So that's what we're aiming for on gold. Right. Let's look also at pound dollar. So pound dollar seems to be reversing currently. It's also having the same movement as was on euro dollar, a strong bearish candle. Yeah, so that's what we are currently seeing on a pound dollar. So not much of what can I say to do here at the current moment, but obviously would be looking to also be shorting euro dollar, actually pound dollar. So we're looking for a trend line break probably once we are down this level of 1.21900, then maybe somewhere there that's where we can be looking to short pound dollar. Then let's look at NAS 100 as well. So NAS 100 is pulling back after pushing all the way down here. This seems to have been a level of support that NAS 100 has actually decided to pull back from. So as of now, we might be actually going slightly up, or this could just be a minor retracement. Then we might have a continuation to the downside and continue for our target down here. Then US 30, I actually believe we reached our target, but it didn't get filled. Actually reached our target, but it didn't get filled. But no worries, I do believe that the market will still come all the way down to our target soon enough, especially if NAS 100 does the same. Right, and then let's look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, we pushed all the way down here, but we reversed from this support level. We didn't really cross nicely below 90,000. So this just seemed like an area to bounce from, and then we're back at 100,000. So most likely we might continue to the upside and go to the initial target that I talked about of 135,000, which is all the way up here. Still a bit far, but possible on Bitcoin. Then let's also look at Ethereum. Ethereum, we talked about it breaking two levels. That was the upside or the downside, and it actually broke to the downside. So this could be just a potential shorting opportunity with a slight pullback. So watch out for this one, or we might just be bouncing off a level where this would have been like a consolidation. Then we're going to go back all the way up here, bounce from there as well, then come all the way down. But we are yet to see what happens after that. So this is basically all for our analysis. I don't know if there's anything more you would like us to look at or questions whatsoever. All right. Rhea, you can come out from hiding now.
Hola.
Yes, hola.
All right, I'm checking our comments. It doesn't look like anybody's got any questions for us. Instagram, you got any questions? Those of you who are live with us over there, feel free to type something in the comments. Let us know if you want us to take a look at any pairs before we go. Or if you have any questions about this analysis, let us know. We're here. You got us. You got us right now. So take advantage while we're here. We'll give you guys a minute or two. Let's see. All right. Well, it doesn't look like anybody has any questions for us. So if you're just tuning in late and you missed the analysis, once we end the recording, the live is going to be, the replay is going to be available on our YouTube channel. So if you're not already following us on our YouTube channel at OFP Funding, be sure to head over there, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every time we do go live. And then feel free to watch the replay of this analysis if you missed anything, okay? And of course, feel free to leave us any comments if you have any questions or anything. Other than that, I believe we will be back on Sunday to take a look at the entire new week that will be ahead of us. So as for me, I wish you guys a profitable remainder of the week. And Nick, do you have any final words?
No, just trade safe. That's all I can say. Yeah.
Use risk management, stick to your trading plan. Don't get greedy. And we'll focus on the process, not the outcome. Well, we will see you guys on Sunday.